Oh yeah? Well, I could type 75 words per minute.
Shut up! God, what the hell are my keys? Seriously, how can anyone live in this crap?
What are you talking about? Every item here has its own purpose. Hey, don't mess with my stuff!
What stuff?
My treasure! My sweet, sweet treasure! You'll pay for what you've done.
Ooh, money!
Alright!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, dude, that thing is awesome! Dude, you can like copy-paste sandwiches all over the place and like eat them like everywhere you want. Or you can like chocolate bars. Do you have any idea things you could do with chocolate, like a million chocolate bars? You could like copy-paste a bunch of like cats and make like a cat pyramid. Or you could take dogs and like make a dog pyramid, like going dog, cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog. And hey, what are you doing? No, don't do that, don't do that!
Hey. What do you say you and I, get out of here? I know this is kind of fast, but I think I'm in love with you.
I think I love you too.
Why do you still have Ian's voice?
What are you talking about?
Your voice! Why is it still—
Shut up and kiss me already!
No!
Shut up and kiss me already!
No.
Shut up and kiss me already!
No!
Shut up and kiss me
No.
Shut up and kiss me already!
Close! Oh, damn it! Oh, great! Well, I guess I'll just open up an old save. What? I forgot to save? I always forget to save!
To see bloopers and this thing,
Just shut up and kiss me already!
click the link in the description below. Thanks for subscribing. I wonder what would happen if I clicked find something that's 3 inches and replaced it with something that was 8 inches. Whoa! Oh, my phone is enormous now.
The following scenes may be disturbing.
You gotta get a hold of yourself!
Cartoons.